Curling your hair with a straightener is a great way to create bouncy curls and waves. Follow these steps to achieve the look you want. Start with clean, dry hair. If your hair is wet or damp, it will be more prone to damage when using hot styling tools. Brush your hair to remove any tangles. Apply a heat protectant spray to your hair. This will help to protect your hair from the heat of the straightener and prevent damage. Section your hair. Use hair clips to separate your hair into small sections. Start at the bottom of your hair and work your way up. The smaller the sections, the tighter the curls will be. Take one section of hair and clamp the straightener near the roots. Twist the straightener away from your face, making sure the section of hair is securely held between the plates. Slowly glide the straightener down the length of the hair while continuing to twist it away from your face. Repeat this process on each section of hair until you have curled your entire head. Once you have curled all of your hair, use your fingers to gently separate the curls and create a more natural look. Finish with a light hold hairspray to keep the curls in place. Remember to always be careful when using hot styling tools on your hair. Use a heat protectant spray and avoid holding the straightener in one place for too long to prevent heat damage.